Okay, I marked the center of this right here. I don't need it this long. It won't fit where I want it to go. So I just measured 12 inches off center down to here. This is a wine barrel stave and nothing is straight. You can see it's thicker in the middle, narrower at top and bottom. And these are 11 degrees on this barrel stave. So you just got to kind of eyeball this straight. That's where the barrel head goes, or the barrel bottom. So I'm just going to kind of mimic that. There, top and bottom. And getting these straight, I just kind of eyeball it. Because like I said, this is beveled and it's tapered, so nothing's really, and we don't care anyway. It's going to be a rustic looking clock. Anyway, but this is white oak. And you can see that it's stained with the red wine that was in there. This piece here, cut it up into chunks, soak it in water for about a half an hour, and use it to smoke beef or salmon. You'll be amazed. It's awesome. So none of this will go to waste. So this will be our clock portion. We'll cut the two ends up for smoking chunks. So anyway, next time or when we get back, let me back up. I want to leave these bands. This is where the oak, the bands were for the barrel. We want to leave those in there. So we'll cut this at an angle. We'll put a hanger right there. That'll be our clock. White oak, wine barrel, red wine. Smells magnificent when you're working on it too. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is for me, so if it was going to somebody else, I would really make this nice, say with a router or whatever, but I'm probably just going to take it to the drill press with a 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch Forstner bit, set a depth to it. So the stem of that clock protrudes about 1/4 inch maybe. So this kit comes with a chime set, so I don't know if I'm going to put the chime. Might get kind of annoying, but who knows? We'll see. I'll recess this in. I'm not going to bore you with that. I'm basically just going to be drilling a bunch of holes and then kind of chiseling it out, you know, to make it look somewhat nice. It's the back of the clock, so it's not going to matter. We'll be back when I get that cleared out. Okay, after hitting it with the random orbital sander, I'll just take the same grit, go with the grain. I don't sand these too much. I want them to look rough. There's dents in there. I want to leave these barrel strap marks. Just knock down the edges on it, sand the back a little bit, and I usually hit these with some sort of, I don't know, like a light stain, and it really brings out the quarter sawn oak. And that is about it. I won't clear it or nothing. All right, remember our cut off pieces? Let's make some smoking chips. I'm telling you, you soak those in some water for about an hour, throw those on some coals or some wood, the other wood you got. Throw some steak on the grill, some fish, some salmon. The water reactivates that wine in there, and man, it is amazing. Just like that, we got a shop clock. I don't have the chime hooked up to it, but pretty cool. It's not going to hang there. I'm going to find a spot to put it. So anyway, it's ticking and moving. There it is. Oak barrel stave clock. So just lightly sanded with some 120 or 150, whatever I had on the sander. Just a light oil stain with some gunstock color stain. The clock kit's Hobby Lobby. I think this big kit was with the chime was $12. People love these as gifts. They do really good. So anyway, I'll find a spot to hang it, and I'll put some pictures of it up. Hope you guys like it. Hope everybody had a great Happy New Year. Man, 2022, here we go. It's going to be awesome. It's got to be. Anyway, there it is. I'll put some stills up the end. Thanks everybody for the support for last year, this upcoming year, for my whole YouTube channel. So appreciated. You guys don't even know. So anyway, thank you. Like I said, I'll have some stills up. You guys know the rules. Like it, share it, love it, comment on it. I'm out.